Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. And now I am going to conduct an agricultural studies class for the students of class 8. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 1, creative question number 2. Okay, let's try to solve it. This was the stream. So first of all, at the time of writing the answer of the creative question, first of all we need to read the whole stream. So let's try to read it. Mr. Rafiq, a farmer, was watching a television report on the agriculture of Vietnam. That report was showing the agricultural technologies used in farming methods of cultivation and farmers activities followed in Vietnam. In that report, the reporter also mentioned that the less developed countries like Bangladesh cannot use the modern agricultural technologies which make them underdeveloped. Okay, that means the country like underdeveloped, like our Bangladesh, they cannot use the developed commodities regarding agriculture. Mr. Rafiq got an idea about Vietnam's agriculture through that television program, and he organized the farmers of his area. This was all about the stream, and now we will try to solve question answer. What is agriculture? Dear students, in writing the answer of any creative question, first of all you will write like this: answer to the question nong 2, 3, 4. It maybe it depended on your question paper. Okay. And after writing that, you will write A, then B, then C, then D, like this. Okay. So the art of breeding and management of crops, fibers, vegetables, fruits, animals, birds and fishes is called agriculture. Okay. And number B, general people are the pioneer of ancient agriculture. Explain it. Okay, so let's try to solve it. In ancient period, men lived and met their demand for food and by collecting fruits as well as hunting animals. Dear students, you know that in ancient period, men were very much dependent on nature. That means they just collected food or hunt animals, and by doing this they earned their livelihood. Okay, when they saw that germination is happening from seed, new thoughts appeared through them. That means when they saw or when they observed the germination of seeds, a new thinking appeared to them. Then men started paying attention to a store food, for it would be to a store. Okay, dear students, although there is 2, it's infinitive, so after 2 we have to use the infinitive form, to a store. It would be a store. Attend to a store food for longer periods. So it has aptly been said that general people are the pioneer of ancient agriculture. Aptly means truly, strictly, okay, properly. Then number C, explain how Mr. Rafiq organized the farmers of his area. Mr. Rafiq was inspired with the activities of the Vietnamese farmers as well as agricultural technologies and methods of cultivation in Vietnam. That means by seeing that report through a television program, he was highly inspired. The main reason of the exemplary development of Vietnamese agriculture is that the agriculture cooperative society in Vietnam are very much organized and creative. Dear students, here the term exemplary, EXAMPLARY, exemplary means ideal development of Vietnamese agriculture. Okay, then it proves that their society or their agricultural society is very much organized along with creative. They provide 50% cost of the local government bodies and provide financial assistance to local agricultural research and extension institutions. Okay? When Mr. Rafiq discussed with the farmers of his area, they came to know that cultivating in a cooperative way can be more profitable than cultivating alone. In this how Rafiq organized the farmers of his area. Dear students, then number D, evaluate the comment of the reporter about Bangladeshi agriculture. So let's try to solve it. The reporter commented on the agriculture of Bangladesh that the less developed countries like Bangladesh can't use the modern agricultural technologies and that makes them backward. That means though Bangladesh is an undeveloped country or underdeveloped country, as a result countries like Bangladesh cannot use the modern agricultural technologies and commodities. As a result, the country like Bangladesh are very much backwards. The utilization, that means the proper use, the utilization of modern agricultural technologies cannot only make easy the cultivation process but also increase the production by the multiple times. That means not only the use of modern agricultural technologies, it also includes the cultivation process also. Okay, with the use of technologies it becomes possible to produce crops taking problems, okay, like flood, drought, salinity and deficiency of nutrition and fertilizer. Okay, but farmers of less developed countries like Bangladesh cannot use these technologies due to lack of resources. Okay, due to lack of resources they cannot use such kind of commodities or facilities. This requires sufficient capital. Okay, on the other hand, the developed nations are turning agriculture into industries through investing capital. Okay, that's why to forward Bangladeshi agriculture, modern agricultural technologies need to be used. Okay, thus it can be said that the comment made by the reporter was justified. Dear students, this was all about creative question 2's answer, and you have homework number 4, creative question number 2C. That means you have to do HW regarding this C, and its submission date is 27 March 2021. Dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you all have understood today's class and practice it more and more. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.